In this video, I tell you how to recover deleted picture on Android. Sometimes we want to recover lost photos on Android. Follow the steps. Open Play Store. Search diskdigger photo recovery app. Install this app, it's totally free. Open diskdigger. From here you can recover your deleted photo and video. Tap on Search Lost Photo. Give permissions. Allow file access. Now started recover deleted photo from your gallery or phone. Please wait few minutes for restore deleted photos. Now you can select all to restore to your gallery. Click Recover. Select your folder where you want to store your deleted picture. Now confirm. This way help you to recover deleted picture on Android.